Welcome to this SolidWorks sheet metal tutorial guys. In this video we will be learning many tools in sheet metal to create this part, and this right here is its flattened version. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK as we are working in the part file. From here change the background to plain white, and from here make sure that you are working in correct units. I'm working in mmgs, that are millimeters. Now select top plane and click on sketch, and from here select center rectangle and make a rectangle at this origin. Now select Smart Dimensioning tool and specify the height of this rectangle as 60 mm and the length of this rectangle as 80 mm. Now after that we need to enable the sheet metal tab. Right click here and in tabs you need to enable this sheet metal tab. Go to sheet metal tab and select here base flange. From here you need to specify the thickness. I'm specifying as 1.5 mm. As you can see it from here, the yellow area, and check the box. Now here specify any appearance you like. This is optional. And after that select this edge flange here. Select this edge and drag the material here in the space. After that we need to specify the length. So we can specify it from here, that is 40 mm. And we need to specify the position, which is the second one, and check the box from here. Now after that select the edge flange again and select this edge and drag it up to here, and we need to specify the length again, which is exactly the same 40 mm, but this time material position will be changed. It will be material inside, which is the first one, as you can see it from here, and check the box from here. Now select this hem tool and select this edge. We need to specify a few parameters. Make sure that you have enabled this second type and here second type as well. And then we need to enable these parameters that are 15 mm and 10 mm. We can change the orientation up or down from here, but we need the down orientation. Select the hem again and select this edge. We need the same parameter, but this time we want it upside. Check the box from here, and as you can see, two hems, one downward facing and one upward facing, has been created. Now select this face and click on sketch. From here select a center line. For reference this will be horizontal, and here select center rectangle. Do not make rectangle at the yellow dot. Make here a rectangle like this. Select Smart Dimensioning tool and specify the height as 25 mm. And then we need to specify the length as 40. Now press escape button, hold control key and select these two lines and make relation collinear. Okay, and now go to sheet metal, and this is extruded cut, just enable it. Since we want to cut on both sides, so select here through all both and check the box from here. Now we need to make sketch here on this top face, so select this face and click on sketch. Make a center line here and one more. This will be horizontal, so from this yellow dot to this origin make a center line. This will be used to mirror entities. Now select circle and make a circle here on this line, and now let's specify the distance between these 2 points as 15. The diameter of the circle is 14, and now we need to mirror entities, so select here mirror entities. In this window only the circle will be selected and mirror about this horizontal line, and the circle will be mirrored like this. Check the box, go to sheet metal tab. We want to cut it, so select extruded cut, but this will not be through all. Select here up to surface, select this back surface, then check the box from here, and we have these two holes enabled on this surface. Now select this surface and click on sketch, And again we need some center lines. For reference, from this yellow dot to this yellow dot, make a center line. And again, for reference, I am selecting this midpoint line. From this yellow dot I am making a line. Now make it as construction geometry. It will be converted into center line. Select this line and assign the horizontal relation. Now drag this point up till this edge. So this is created. And after that, select your corner rectangle and make a corner rectangle from here like this. And after that, you need to hold the control key and select these three lines, make relation symmetric, so that these lines will be symmetric about this straight horizontal line. Now here specify the length of this side as 10 and the length of this side of the rectangle the same 10 millimeter. We need to mirror the same rectangle on the other side. So I'm selecting these four lines in the above window, and in this mirror about window only this center line will be selected. So basically these are the purpose of making the center lines, just for reference for mirror entities. Now select your extruded cut in the sheet metal tab, and same thing should be selected up to surface, and select the back surface, then check the box. These two rectangles will be created. And now to further modify it, let's unfold it. So for the fixed face, I'm selecting this flat surface, and in this window we need to select this curved surface and check the box from here. It will be flattened or unfolded like this. Now let's select this face and click on sketch, and we need to make a center line for the reference. So from this yellow dot to this yellow dot, make a center line, and after that make a center line on this yellow dot, which will be at the midpoint. And now let's specify the length of this line. I'm specifying as 10. Now from this line to this line, this is 28 millimeter, and our sketch is fully defined. We can cut it. So go to sheet metal tab and select your extruded cut. The same up to surface should be selected, and this back surface is here. Check the box from here, and now we need to fold it back. So select the fold. In this window this face is automatically selected, which is correct, and in the next window we need to select this area, which will be curved like this. So this is created, and now go to adds in from here, and you must have these library checked from here, and after that click OK. Now go to here design library, and here you need to go into the forming tools. We have emboss here, and we need to drag the second one, this countersink here, and we can flip it from here. This is fine. Go to positions and make here a center line, a horizontal straight center line at this yellow dot, which is the midpoint. Now hold control key, select this point and this line, and here make relation coincident. So this will be at the center line. Now select smart dimensioning tool, specify the length between these 2 points as 12 millimeter. Now we are good with it, and simply when you check the box from here, this emboss will create. If you want to edit it, right click here and select edit feature. You can flip here, or either you want to position it, you can correctly position it. It's up to you. So that's how we create this part, and now let me show you its flattened version. You can select this flatten from here to get its flattened version. So that's all for this video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.